Today, we're going to practice the Kumbhaka for longevity. How can you use the retention of breath and make it part of your daily lifestyle or second nature to be able to extend your age? So we're going to practice 3 Kumbhakas. One is internal retention, also known as Antar Kumbhaka. Second, external retention of the breath, also known as Bahya Kumbhaka. And to get to the third one, Kevala Kumbhaka, which is the most important for retention of our breath. So my friends, find a comfortable position where you can sit down comfortably, keeping your spine straight and chin parallel or just a little bit, 10-15 degrees facing up. Bring the thumb and index finger together for chin mudra and place it gently on your knees. Now we're going to first practice internal Kumbhaka, Antar Kumbhaka for 3 times. Inhale. Hold the breath. If you're an advanced practitioner, pull the perineum muscles up. Bring your chin down. Holding for 30 seconds. And if you feel the need to exhale, inhale just a little bit more. Hold. Three, 2, 1. Amazing. Exhale fully. Inhale and exhale. Allow the breath to come back to normal. Second set, we're going to hold it for 45 seconds. Inhale. Hold. Perineum muscles, chin. If you feel like exhaling, inhale a little more. Exhale. Allow the breathing to come back to normal. Close your eyes and focus on your third eye. Amazing job. Now we're gonna do third set. Hold the breath for 1 minute. Inhale. Hold. Allow the breathing to come back to normal. Close your eyes and focus on your third eye. Amazing job. If you need more explanation on these Kumbhakas, please refer to this video. This is just a practice video. The second one we're going to get into is Bahya Kumbhaka, or external retention of breath. That's a little bit harder. So we're going to hold the breath up to 45 seconds. So inhale, exhale fully. Start with 20 seconds of retention. Here we engage Mahabandha, the root chakra, Uddiyana Bandha, Jalandhar Bandha. Inhale, exhale normally. Allow the body to come back to its natural rhythm. Second set, 25 to 30 seconds. Inhale. Exhale fully. You can take a few deep breaths in and out to replenish your body. And now allow your breath to come back to its natural rhythm again. The third set, we're going to do it up to 45 seconds. If you can, hold it. Otherwise, just hold it as long as you can. Remember, if you feel the need to inhale, exhale a little more. So let's do it. Inhale. Exhale. Fully. Empty your stomach. Pull the perineum muscles. Pull the diaphragm up. Chin to chest. Amazing job. Allow the breath to come back to its natural rhythm again. You can close your eyes, meditate for 30 seconds. Gently open your eyes, and now we prepare ourselves for the main practice, the Kevala Kumbhaka, to extend your lifespan. For this, we're not going to hold the breath forcefully in or out. So we're going to follow this formula. Inhale for 10, hold for 20, exhale very slowly for 15, and hold the breath out for 5. So you ready? Let's begin. Inhale. Whole body relax as you exhale for 15. Regulate the breath very slowly, very calmly. And now hold it for 5. Inhaling for 10. Inhale. For 10, now see if we can start pushing the air from your chest into your stomach. Now hold for 20. Make this more advanced. And exhale. As you exhale, regulate the breath out very slowly for 15. Continue pulling the belly in and hold the breath for 5. Inhale for 10. Hold 20. Push the air in the belly. Exhale 15. Hold the breath out for 5. Inhale 10. Hold 20. Exhale 15. Hold for 5. Amazing job. So you can continue doing this breathing and go into your meditation. Maybe meditate for 5 to 10 minutes as a beginner. But remember, you can do your own ratio. But keep the length of the inhale, holds, exhale, and then hold equal to this ratio. So if you're inhaling for 5, for example, hold it for 10. And then you're going to exhale for 7 and hold it for 3, let's say. So I hope you got a little value from this video. Practice this video for 21 days with me so you can get your body into a habit of breathing slowly. And of course, if you need explanation on all these Kumbhakas, please refer to this video. Until next time, my name is Abhi Duggal. Namaste, peace and love.